listen, right now we're at the mall. Paige is getting her little ears pierced. She has no idea what to expect, what to look out for. Right, Pooh? She has no idea. Look, she wants to see everything. She wants to see what's going on in the mall.
I don't think we should leave her neck on one side.
Yeah.
There she go.
Hey, boo-boo. You're going to get your ears pierced today. All right. Hold on.
Cadê? Ele vai caminhar use GPS no jantar.
Let me grab the paperwork.
What's up, pumpkin? We got you some yellow gold. We have to put it here or?
No, when we got to sit here, hold her.
Okay, yeah. Somebody gonna sit and hold it, yeah.
Now, got your ears, okay? The marker, I promise. That crazy? I promise.
She looks so serious too, like.
She's about this business. She's like, what's going on here? I ain't signed no contract. Y'all just sign it for me. One more time. One more time. One more time. See what it looks like? It's going to be the lower dot right there. Is that good?
I think so. Yeah. That's good. Yeah, I like that.
All right, Miss Peppies. Hold on. I know. You got strange hands. I was like, this is vinyl on my face? Yeah, it's vinyl. No latex. The allergies for latex.
No, this ain't her first time.
Oh, okay. Yeah. Oh, she gonna have some real beef with y'all for a while. I don't need this. I'm sorry. I can't take you. I would love you, but I can't take you. All right, now, Mom, I want you to take one. Actually, no, this arm right here. Go ahead for me. Just like that. All right, little miss. Here we go, okay? I know. It's strange. I know. Ready? 1, 2, 3. I'm gonna say, did she know what happened?
It took her a second.
Yeah.
Just like when she did her shot.
I know.
You strong, baby.
I know. Look,
I
we
hate
got
seeing
one
her
more.
crocodile tears.
I know. Ready? 1. Wait. Let it out. 1, 2, 3. I know. I didn't hurt that baby. I know. Oh my God, I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. I know. Okay, but look, it's over. Miss Paige, it's over. Look at you.
Oh, she looks so cute.
Look, it's over. Look. You ain't trying to hear none of that? Okay, I'm sorry. Look. I'll make you feel better. Look, ready?
Look.
I'm gonna get you a little solution on. It's gonna soothe them ears. You're gonna feel so much better. Watch.
It's okay, baby.
Ready? Look, ready? She like, no, back up. All right. So y'all hands clean.
She like, why y'all
Solution on a cotton ball. Touch both the earrings front and back. See, look, don't that feel better? You like, no, back up. You hurt me. And then I want y'all to grab, probably the front be easier. Grab from front and spin. Hold on. I got pink both of them 3 times. There you go. I know, honey. I know.
You gotta do that all the time, or?
3 times a day. For the next 3 weeks.
It's okay, baby.
Now, once y'all first weeks are up, you can change the earrings to a pair of small, lightweight, real metal studs. But until she's about 2 or 3, make sure any earrings she wears is small, lightweight, and real metal, okay? Now,
You been looking beautiful. You just look more enhanced. Enhanced your beauty, right, boo? I'm sorry. I hate to see her cry.
It's okay.
Oh, go ahead. You wipe her nose.
Yeah. Right?
I ain't sleeping tonight. Sleep is for the young.
Yeah. All right, how do you like your new earrings, Mrs. Paige? She's like, I'm hungry. Are you hungry, boo-boo? All right, so after 3 weeks, we can switch out your earrings and get you some new ones. And we have to clean your ears 3 times a day. She don't want to hear it. She's done. She's over it.
All I want is you.
Got these from Claire's. What else we got? Huh? You like your little pom-pom spool? You look adorable.